Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the essentials so the online request won't stall. Have the F.i.r. number or complaint ID, police station name, and exact incident date ready. These identifiers let the system locate the record. Once done, keep a government ID and the phone or email used in the original report handy for OTP verification. Make sure to write a short incident summary to match official wording. This reduces manual review and speeds up retrieval. You now access the correct police F.i.r. portal and pick the F.i.r. copy or record retrieval option. Enter the F.i.r. number, station, and date exactly as recorded. The system matches these fields first. Once you submit, verify your identity with the OTP sent to the registered mobile or email. This prevents unauthorized access. If you lack the F.i.r. number, search by complainant name plus incident details and carefully inspect. You finish by downloading the F.i.r. copy as a PDF and verifying the header shows the station stamp, F.i.r. number, and date. These confirm authenticity. If anything mismatches, immediately use the portal dispute option or call the station helpline quoting the download reference ID. This triggers correction. If download fails, retry after clearing cache or try a different browser, and keep screenshots of submission and OTP screens as proof when following up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.